Don't fuck up!
Day 2 over here at Fink 5. I'm in the street in my car, about to get some breakfast, but first let's see if Chris can get the Corvette. Oh, he's actually backing the Corvette out of the driveway. Look at that. I think that is really funny. It's a very difficult car. Oh, he gets it out. Like, it's amazing. I love Corvettes, but they're like kind of difficult to if they're low. They have such an overhang. Oh, he lost his lid though. There is no front lid anymore in the car. Okay. Let's get some breakfast. We're at day 2 here at Englishtown. Really cool. Everybody's pitting up. We're driving the FD section this time. Really cool.
Was the driver's meeting in an hour or was it right now? No, it's right now on the schedule.
With tire stacks, and so if you purchase the tire package, please come over there and look for me or Ian. If you have not purchased tire package and you'd like to, please come and talk.
Bro, 2 nights ago it should have started, but yeah, I'm not saying they fucked up. It's a learning curve with the new motor, and they made it seem like it was buttery smooth. They're like, it's not buttery smooth. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Wout's channel today. I hope you're ready for fuckery.
Because
it's gonna happen.
Because it's gonna happen.
But it's gonna happen. And I have no cage because carburetor V8s are life.
That's all I want to hear.
I could have put an M52 in my car and been fucking driving, dude. Straight up.
I told you.
I know that.
Once or twice.
Stupid, I'm stupid. That's too deep. I want those. So you want I'll bring tires. Yeah, correct. So this is 2, 4, 5, 6, and you do one already. You're good.
So yeah, exactly. Yeah. So I think those and some more we can be able to wear, right?
I just want to.
So good to see these things set on track. If you're joining us earlier, we got an empty housing party here at Ricky 5. We're in open track until 6 p.m. Then kick off for main event. We got some drift parking, we got this competition, team drift, usual call-out battles, and all.
Don't fuck up!
Yep, having a great time out here. Car is really solid. Track is really good on tire wear. Having a good time with my buddies over here. So, yep. going, man? Are you having a good time?
Yeah, having a blast, having a blast.
Car good?
Oh, she's beautiful as ever, man. She's beautiful as ever.
Sounds so good.
Thank you.
Did you call him out? Did you call him out
I
for
don't know
battle?
if I
Come on with
cage.
it.
That's probably how you actually say his name.
Brian Tuerck and Wicknick.
All right.
Are you guys spectators or are you...
Get it, bro? Ready to do the drift? How's it going, sir?
Good, mate.
You like the car?
They're pretty cool. They are pretty cool.
It looks so natural when you drive. It's like you've been driving it for 100 years.
You wouldn't know that my clutch is being funny.
Oh, it's funny.
It's like, it's here now, but sometimes it just goes really soft, and I think that maybe the fluid's a bit hot.
Yeah, so the torque tube and stuff heats up like crazy on these things because the exhaust heat can go anywhere.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I've got stock headers. Apparently, the aftermarket headers is what makes it work.
Forget about it with the aftermarket. You need to rebuild the torque tube every year.
Yeah. So I won't do that then.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure you'll take it easy.
I intend to keep this, so.
Yeah. Oh, you should.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's great that you could finally make it out here, man. It's rad.
Oh, dude, it's been.
You're
What's up, man?
I'm at a point in my life where I don't check tie rods anymore. I've been driving past 3 to 4 weeks, and my fucking wheel does this. I got pulled over on the way home the other day. Cop thought I was drunk. They hit a bump with the shit.
What did you say to the cop?
The cop said, "Why are you?" The cop actually thought I was drunk. The cop in the car. He's like, "License registration." I was like, "Give myself." So why am I being pulled over? He's like, "You're swerving. Are you on a phone?" I said, "I work for it. My car drives like a bag of dicks, and there's so many potholes on the southern state. I'm trying to avoid them." It was 2:30 in the morning. He goes, "Oh, I thought I was drunk." But now I have a proper lock kit, wide bag.
Yeah.
Hopefully, I don't blow these old junk tie rods out every other week. I have 0 spares. That's how much faith I have.
How many tie rods did you change today?
I told you, I didn't change my other tires for blown for months. I didn't even look at them though. I don't look at them
Great.
anymore.
You don't have to look at
0.
them anymore.
I changed 0 today.
Great. Great. Did it drive okay? Did you love it?
Yeah, it drove good.
Great.
At first, I said it didn't drive good, right? I said it didn't.
Because you had tow in. Yeah.
Because I didn't do alignment. My alignment was like this.
Yeah, that's
And I
not
was
good.
like, that wheel looks a little in, but we're going to just drive to Jersey like that. And then I said it, and now it's good. It drives
Great.
good.
Happy? And congratulations
happy
with your
customer.
birthday.
Thank you.
Don't forget to take a look at our website as well, einzel.nl. We ship worldwide, of course, Wisefab, field suspension, our own brand Einzel, gearboxes, quick change differentials, axles, all kinds of things. A lot of fabrication components, of course, air jacks, subframes for quick change, you name it. Drop us an email and we'll hook you up.